A powerful Gulf storm brings a dangerous risk of a tornado or some wind damage in the late night hours of your Saturday night, early morning hours of your Sunday. Jeff Huffman here from the Florida Public Radio Emergency Network Storm Center. We'll be staffed and alerting you on social media all night long. The risk is highest in this orange shaded region, basically a triangular shaped area from the Tampa Metro to the Orlando Metro down to Fort Myers. There's also a wind damage risk that will extend a little further to the north of that and south of that. And notice the timing here. That's 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. 2 a.m., of course, near the Gulf side, 10 a.m. on the Atlantic side. Now's a good time to download our mobile app, Florida Storms. It will alert you in the middle of the night if a dangerous storm is approaching. You can choose up to 8 other locations to keep tabs on your friends and family as well. Here's the timing on Future Track. The air mass ahead of this storm system is quickly becoming warm and humid by midnight as a warm front lifts northward, and then the supercell thunderstorms and/or a squall line of thunderstorms will develop, maybe both in some spots, between midnight and 6 a.m., and then it pushes off on the Atlantic side by daybreak. The backside of the storm system will also be intense with non-thunderstorm wind gusts up to 30 to 40 miles per hour and some brief heavy rain as well, especially there in North Florida. Then the colder air floods the peninsula by Monday morning. Total rainfall 1 inch to 1.5 inches, maybe some locally higher amounts as well. Here's the big concern though, it's the wind damage with that squall line, and this is an exclusive map. It's my wind damage risk map, and you see the moderate risk there, Tampa to Sarasota and Bradenton between 2 and 3 a.m. Basically from Orlando down to Cape Coral, 3 to 4 a.m., and then Fort Myers to Fort Pierce, 4 to 5 a.m. The damage risk does decrease as it gets to South Florida near Miami and West Palm, but it's still there right around daybreak. Also, because of the non-thunderstorm winds, gale warnings in effect for the entire Gulf Coast from Pensacola to Key West. This also wraps around and includes Miami and West Palm, and there's going to be a minor surge and a sea level rise of up to 3 feet above the normal tides. So coastal flooding a concern from Cedar Key all the way down to Cape Coral. This will expire at 4 p.m. on Sunday afternoon. Stay tuned to your local media and, of course, download that mobile app to stay ahead of this storm in the overnight hours tonight and through Sunday morning.